Take very less butter. Very less butter. Any dreams? Head is still paining.
Why are you sleeping?
Whoa, make some noise!
Good morning.
Oh.
Chinese book.
It's like you made a crime to own a car.
माझे सगळे सिक्रेट्स रिव्हील होत आहेत. But what is this orange flavor, yaar?
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So I woke up early, and since today is a Saturday, baby will be waking up very late. So I thought let me make some breakfast, making some Malabar parathas. Obviously they are ready made. I am just frying them in butter. And Hriday also has woken up, so he'll have his breakfast and study. And of course Charlie loves his window grill. I'll just show it to you. Look at him. Charlie, do you like your morning ritual of coming and sitting over here in the kitchen window? Yes? He always loves coming here, and I don't know what's so fascinating for him. He just sits there and looks at us through these plants. Hey, Nadia, Guddu, hey Guddu, hey Guddu. Scary and cute at the same time. Boiling some tea, Amul butters here, and these are the parathas. Where is the butter knife? I don't like using this. Do you like it? I don't like using this. बहुत छोटा है वो. कम बटर आता है. Take very less butter. Very less butter. And butter has to always be Amul butter. That is butter. Others are not called butter. Let me put this. Water getting boiled. चाय पत्ती किधर है? चाय पत्ती इधर है. I love to hear this noise of the tea powder boiling. And now for some sugar. Again, very less sugar we put. We don't put a lot of sugar. Now for some milk. किधर है दूध? हाँ इधर है. बहुत कम है, मतलब 2 चाहिए लेकिन. We always use this. ये पापा paratha also is getting ready at the same time. Ah, lovely. So we usually have just plain paratha with Amul butter. Tastes amazing. Look who woke up. Good morning. Had a good sleep? Any dreams? Head is still paining. We better go and visit a doctor now. Right time. Paratha and chai are ready. Looks good.
Where is she sleeping still? Oh, we go.
ऐसा ही है वो, एक अभी एक आँख से देखेगा वो.
Coco, why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping? What?
किचन भी साफ किया.
Good morning.
नहीं. Crispy paratha.
इसको साफ करना पड़ेगा पैच को.
Sure, we'll decide on a day and do it.
Now you're going for your show, na? Just drop me to DMart.
I'll drop you to DMart.
It is therapeutic to me. I will also be all.
Okay. Good, go. Anything else?
दाल लेना है वैसे भी. दाल is not good.
Dal or?
That's it.
Are you going to buy some more home decor?
No, nothing. Just dal and biscuits.
It's a weekend. We decided to order some amazing food. Where have you ordered from, darling? Oh,
Chinese wok.
nice. And what have you ordered in it?
Veg hakka noodles.
Veg hakka noodles,
Chicken hakka noodles.
chicken hakka noodles,
And manchow soup.
and manchow soup. Oh, nice packaging.
Quantity is also good. We thought less aega, but good. And they had some amazing offers. So. Zomato.
So what?
Chicken hai na?
Yes, chicken hakka noodles. Tera Shravan will have pure veg.
Yes.
I need more. Yes, good enough.
Chutney idhar hi do.
Put that on. Keep it there.
I'm washing my hands.
Yeah, I know that you have that habit. छोटी चीज के लिए wash hand. What's that?
Soup. You'll have na
Yeah, little I have. This is veg or what?
Yeah. Again, you'll have to thank Simran.
Oh, is it?
मतलब अभी उस दिन मैंने वो सूप पिया तो now it's नहीं. हक्का नूडल्स तो हम लोग वैसे भी खाते ही थे.
बस. That's it. Thank you.
He didn't get fried noodles यार.
क्या इसमें क्या है अंदर?
इतनों से फ्राइड नूडल्स. ये टाइम पास तो मतलब सीरियसली
बहुत शो ना, I can't even see. बहुत कम है.
क्या हो गया लोगों को ऐसे कैसे?
I don't want that. So you have it. It's fine. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए.
कितने दिए?
What is this? बहुत कम दिए. I don't want.
Little.
Don't want.
Little.
Okay. You also take.
इसका वीडियो नहीं मिला ना तुम्हें?
है ना अभी देख.
I ordered chili garlic.
chili
Smart, you are only fascinated with non-veg food. I know. Not bothered.
लिया ना तेरा मंचा सूप वेज.
What are you trying to show? My hand. Chalo.
Done?
How is the food?
Soup is nice.
Good. I'll also sit and eat now.
Come.
These noodles also look tasty.
Charlie, I know why you're sitting here. Again, AC. Maybe I'm going, huh? Sure, bye. Take care. Give me a call.
Yeah, bye, baby.
Sure, bye. Love you too. And iPad is kept for updation, okay? You can make the thumbnail and all and upload the vlog. Okay?
Get up out.
Huh?
Get up.
No, I'm fine, sure. I'll go.
Close the door.
Yeah, of course. Take care. So I just reached the venue. Now I'm waiting for the valet person to take the car. Lot of problems with regards to parking everywhere. It's like you've made a crime to own a car. And it's horrible. And if I don't give it to valet and park anywhere else, you know how the policemen are. Click photo, send, no parking, fine. So I'm not taking a risk with that perspective anymore. So waiting for the valet guy, let him take my keys, park it in a safe place. Simple. I have come to this Rangla, Punjab for an event. Back-to-back weekends here. I'm waiting for the valet guy because I can't park my car like this. It's parked like that, now no other option. Waiting for somebody to take it and keep it in a safer place. ऐसा तो फटका लगेगा मेरे को और. Finally I reached the venue. Look at the setup. Looks good. I always am fascinated by this name, Ruel.
So, आता ना मी तुम्हाला एक गंमत सांगते, ठीक आहे? आज माझी ऑफिसची सुट्टी आहे, तर मी दिवसभर झोपा काढते, आळस काढते. मी लिटरली जेवणसुद्धा नाही बनवलं. सकाळी नाश्ता रिजनी बनवला आणि दुपारी आम्ही बाहेरनं मागवलं. गंमत अशी आहे, मला संध्याकाळी मम्मीने फोन केला आणि मम्मी म्हणाली काय करते? म्हटलं काय नाही, अशी बसली आहे, आता चहा बनवणार. जेव्हा की मी लिटरली कायच नव्हती करत, मी फक्त झोपलेली रोज तेव्हाच निघालं. मम्मी बोलली ठीक आहे येते मी घरी. जशी मम्मी ये, जशी मम्मी ते म्हणाली मी उठली, मी सोफ्याचा कवर चेंज केला, सामान इकडचं तिकडचं केलं, सगळ्यात आधी आंघोळ करून घेतली आणि आता मम्मीची वेट करते. सो गंमत अशी आहे की जेव्हा पण मम्मी मला बोलते ना की मी घरी येते, माझ्यामध्ये अशी ऑटोमॅटिकली एनर्जी येते, पूर्ण घर साफ होतं, माझी सगळी कामं होतात. जर तुमच्यासोबत पण असं होत असेल तर मला कॉमेंट्समध्ये नक्की कळवा. जेव्हा मम्मी हा व्लॉग बघणार आहे तेव्हा मला माहिती नाही माझं काय होणार आहे. माझी सगळी सिक्रेट्स रिव्हील होत आहेत. बट ठीक आहे यार, मम्मी आहे. मम्मी आल्यावर मम्मीशी पण आपण थोडे गप्पा मारू. मी आता व्हिडिओज घेत होती. हाय बेटा, हॅव यू? मम्मी इकडे आहे. मी बोलत होती की मी दिवसभर आज खूप आळस काढला, दिवसभर झोपून होती, जेवण पण नाही बनवलं आणि नाश्ता पण नाही बनवला. जसं तू बोलली की तू येते मी उठली, आंघोळ केली, सोन्याचा टॉवेल चेंज केला, असं मम्मी घरी आले असं एनर्जी ऑटोमॅटिकली कुठून येते.
बिकॉज यू आर हॅपी. दॅट्स इट, नथिंग.
मम्मी तर मम्मीच असते. मम्मी डबा पण घेऊन आली आहे आम्हाला जेवायला, कारण की मम्मीला माहिती आजकाल मी मम्मीच्या हाताचं जेवण खूप मिस करते. चला आता मी चालली आहे मम्मी बरोबर गप्पा गोष्टी करू आणि तुम्हाला लवकरच भेटते.
Time all right? Don't touch the bubble. That's the instructions. Yes, ready? Come on! Whoa, make some noise! Few people deserve the appreciation and you need to give them applause. Jude R, ladies and gentlemen, first. He's done a fantastic job. Of course, our DJ for tonight, DJ Vaibhav in the house. Let's give him a huge round of applause. The one who's capturing the moments right from the very start, we have Deepak XD Creations. Let's give him a huge round of applause. To all the chefs, stewards and our bartender for World Cup Punjab, let's give them a huge round of applause. Finally, 3 cheers to our birthday boy Ruel. Hip hip! Hip hip! Last will be the loudest. Hip hip!
भात बनतोय. मम्मी डबा घेऊन आली आहे, टोमॅटोचा सार आणि मम्मीने भाजी आणली आहे आणि चपात्या. भाजी आपण गरम करून घेऊया. सार गरम केला. भात ऑलमोस्ट होत आला. काल मी मम्मीला बोलली मला मच्छीच्या साराची रेसिपी सांग, तर आज मम्मी टोमॅटोचा सार घेऊन आली कारण की श्रावण चालू आहे. का बनवला तू आज टोमॅटोचा सार मम्मी?
मच्छीचा जो सार असतो आणि हा सेमच आहे ना, फक्त त्याच्यात थोडेसे टोमॅटो जास्त असतात.
पण तू आज का बनवला?
तुला पाहिजे होतं.
मी फक्त रेसिपी मागितली तर मम्मीला कळालं की मला खायची इच्छा होते, तर मम्मी आज टोमॅटोचा सार बनवून घेऊन आली. चल दुधात आतमध्ये जा, दरवाजा बंद कर. हा बाय, बंद कर. इथे काय संत्र्याचं काय लावलंय काय?
अरे फॅशनर लावलंय काय?
कुठे लावलंय?
कुठेतरी पंख्यामध्येच.
आम्ही तिकडे बघ. असतो इथे
पावसामध्ये बाजूला
असतो इथेच कुठे. छत्री घेतली ना? चल हो. 5834 चल चल बाय.
सांभाळ खाली बघ.
हो. बाय. मेसेज कर. चल बाय. बाय. हृदय खोल बाबू. मम्मा आहे खोल. चार्लो माझं गुड्डू 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 माझा गुड्डू. चार्लो कुठे गेली आई? आई गेली घरी. गुड नाईट हृदय. स्लीप नाउ. Charlie, what you doing?
So I'm back home. I left my trolley in the car only, trolley bag. Feeling too lazy to carry it. I'll take it tomorrow or day after. Oh, it was a very good show. Met new people, got to know some new people. Very nice, good family. I liked comparing for this family. Let's go home. Can't wait to get home and for a nice hot shower. It's still good though. Settled well, don't you think? यार लेफ्ट का ब्राइटनेस बहुत है इधर. You do a photo shoot. I guess Hriday is sleeping. Baby should be awake. Let's see. You're never taking a vlog over it. How are you? How was your day?
Good. What is this orange flavor? Yaar, it's so irritating.
Hey, it's so nice.
She.
Baby, it's nice.
Baby.
Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. My buju. My buju. My buju. Where's Coco? Where's Coco? Coco. Show was good. I felt too lazy, so I kept my trolley bag in the car only. Tomorrow we'll get it.
It's okay.
How was your day?
Good.
Evening.
Mummy came. Mummy got food.
Lot of
Yesterday
food
I asked
poisoning.
her about-
Food poisoning. I'd say lot of gossiping. I guess. Wanted to say verbal diarrhea, but then. And we'll log off right now. Then I can go and have a bath, and we'll just say bye to them. Anything else you want to say? आणि काय केलं?
असं थोडं लाईट.
लाईट पाहिजे ना आता. हे काय बोलते बेटर आहे. हां.
So mummy came, mummy got lots of food. Yesterday I spoke about that fish curry recipe, no? Today she made the same curry without fish. It's called tomato cha saar in Marathi, and she got.
Anything is remaining or everything is licked off and had?
You ate food and came, no?
I had heavy starters. I didn't eat. That's how it is. Ani kai?
How was your show?
Good. Jodal was there. He sings really, really. Like,
Yeah, I heard. Pehla Nasha, he was singing.
too good, too good.
Mummy also was listening.
I did too good. I have taken his videos and a nice guy. अच्छा, we sign off. Good. असा होता आजचा हा दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.